Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a tri-wing screwdriver, a spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools are essential for safely opening your Nintendo Switch and handling its delicate components. Start by powering off your Nintendo Switch completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the repair. Next, use the tri-wing screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the console. There are 4 screws to take out, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the clips can break easily. After the back cover is off, you will see the internal components of the Switch. Now, locate the battery connector. Using your tweezers, carefully disconnect the battery from the motherboard. This step is vital to ensure that no power is running through the device while you work on it. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the motherboard. There are several screws around the motherboard, so take your time to identify and remove each one. Keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the issue before proceeding. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard from the casing. Be cautious of any attached cables or connectors. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the motherboard removed, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your Nintendo Switch. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This will help improve the performance of your console once the new motherboard is installed. Now take your new motherboard and carefully place it into the console. Ensure that all connectors align properly and that there are no obstructions. Reattach the screws to secure the motherboard in place. Following the same order, you remove them. After securing the motherboard, reconnect the battery. This is a straightforward process, but ensure that the connection is firm. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Once everything is connected, replace the back cover of the Nintendo Switch. Use the tri-wing screwdriver to reinsert the screws, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your Nintendo Switch to test the new motherboard. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motherboard. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, as we can assist you further. This repair can seem complex, but with patience and the right tools, it's entirely achievable. If you feel overwhelmed at any point, remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to help you with your gaming needs. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.